Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I am the creator of the iPlanner, iJournals, iDesign, and Key Life, and a whole lot more. What you're looking at on my screen is this Friday's freebie. What these are your goal planning prompts. I made these for you guys just in case you're still tweaking your goals. I started goal planning back in August and I'm tweaking. There's 12 days left to get our goals set up and planned out for 2020. So these are the stickers. I created these stickers and I actually have a video from maybe a year or two ago where I showed you how to make these so you can make your own using iDesign in Keynote. I actually made these with the iDesign iPlanner tools, and I believe it was the first version that these came with. I'll link down below the iDesign shapes that I used to make these. And these flowers came from one of the Whimsy flowers in the Whimsy collection. And then, of course, I used one of the fonts that's on my iPad. So let me just show you how I've set up my goals. And of course, I'm using the Mason this year. Surprise! Again, I'm using Mason. I use it every year. But I popped these into Hadley Daily Weekly just so you could see how neat these look with the colors. They look really good in the Mason as well, and Reese. So they're just very colorful. And something else I've done is I've kind of given you something to think about for each category. And you can actually get your eraser and erase this and add your own. This is just kind of a little head start, some prompts for you to think about, and it may even help you arrive at your own. Something else I did is I went ahead and whited out the year 2021 just using white ink. So this is the goal planning template inside the iPlanner. They come with all the iPlanners, and they're at the beginning, right after the 2 years at a glance and all the covers. So you can flip back and forth and look at the 2 years at a glance, and then flip back to your goals as you're doing your goal planning. So what I'm doing is I've got my prompts here on the right, and I'm going to start listing underneath my specific goals that I plan to accomplish for 2020. And I'm going to list those over here on this side under the months that I plan to accomplish these goals. If it's going to take me more than a month to do it, I'll put it under 2 of the months. So real quick, I said I whited this out. I'm going to go ahead and white it out. So I've got white ink, and I'm using 4. I'm using GoodNotes 4, but that you can choose white ink in 5 as well. So let me go ahead and the reason that I cover this up is these are my goals for 2020, not 2021. And I also use the goal planning in reverse when I start planning in the middle of the year, which August, I'll start planning my 2021 goals. And what I'll do is I will put my prompts on the left, white out 2020, and then 2021 will be here. So you can actually get a 2-year head start with this template. All right, so what I've done for you is, of course, these are the stickers, but if you swipe to the next page, these are actually, if you want to use my prompts, if you want to read my prompts and then erase them, that's fine. But these are sized to the goal planning template. So what you could do is if you want to use all of them or some of them, you can go ahead and lasso all of this, copy it, and then go over to the goal planning page. And I'll just go ahead and do it here on this side to show you how it just pops right in there, the text and all. And I inked with my own handwriting, forgive my handwriting, but I did that so that you could just easily get rid of it or add to it, whatever you want to do. Okay, so like I said, when this video was recorded or is being recorded, depending on when you watch it, we're 12 days away from the 1st of 2020. So you've got 12 days. If you haven't started goal planning yet, if you've written a few things down but don't know how to work them out or how to map them out, I've been doing this for years using this specific template, and I go back and check it and recheck it and cross things off, and I'm always amazed at the end of the year how much I've accomplished. And it's usually everything that I put down. I go kind of crazy at first, listing a bunch of different things, and then I look at it and I start getting realistic. And I start thinking, okay, that's not realistic. That's not going to happen this year. Or that's crowding this one particular month just a little bit too much. I'm going to have to spread it out over 2 or 3 more months. Things like that. You can really have a bird's eye view of what your goals are when you do it this way. And then from here, you go to your monthly layouts and start breaking them down there. And from your monthly, you break them down into weeks and then into days. And you start really getting specific with your project tasks, all the individual tasks that need to be done for a particular goal. So basically, you set your goals, you turn your goals into projects, you turn your projects into tasks, and you turn your tasks into complete. I just love my iPlanner, and one of my most favorite things to do in my iPlanner is setting my goals for the upcoming year. It really helps me get a handle on what I'm going to accomplish for the year. And you also don't get carried away with taking on too much because you've already laid out your year. You leave yourself room for little things that you want to fit in and changing your mind, of course, things like that. But I challenge you to try this for just 1 year and then look at the end of the year and see what you've accomplished. Okay, everyone, I don't know how many more videos I'm going to be able to get out before the end of the year because I'm in the middle of recording a series and working on a couple other product projects. So if I don't see you before the first of the year, Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year. And I will see you in 2020 for sure. Happy iPlanning, everyone. Bye.